Around the year 1250, a small fishing village arose around a dam built in the Rotte River. In the 800 years that followed, this tiny village evolved into a spectacular metropolis, known for its next-level architecture, no-nonsense attitude, and world-class port. Today, Rotterdam is the gateway to Europe. Anything you can imagine passes through here, from heavy lift to project cargo, steel, forest products, automotive and non-ferrous metals. That's why they call us Europe's most versatile breakbulk hub. The city's no-nonsense mentality is reflected in our straightforward way of handling things. Our Breakbulk community is all about connecting companies, sharing knowledge and embracing partnerships. Rotterdam is proud to be the host of Breakbulk Europe 2022. With over 30,000 square meters of exhibition space, the Ahoy Convention Centre is the perfect partner in welcoming guests from all over the world and the ideal place to show what Port of Rotterdam is all about. Bigger, better, Breakbulk.